Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Here at Mrs. Mac's Kitchen, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna have an awesome meal. And this is the restaurant as seen in Bloodline, the TV series Bloodline. So we're real excited to go in there and check it out. We'll show you what we see in there, show you our meal and all that. So why don't you come along? We'll go check out Mrs. Mac's Kitchen. Oh, look at that fish. They have license plate lampshades. How cool. What's cute? Oh yeah, that palm tree right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Got a nice little bar in the center. Yep. License plate lampshades. This is a table. Isn't that cool? Yeah. They have neat things in there. So Judy and I both got the seafood basket, and we're going to have the smoked fish dip. The smoked fish dip is going to come with chips, or tortilla chips, I think. Oh, here it comes now. I'll show it to you. There it is. Smoked fish. Smoked fish dip with chips. Isn't that good? Look at that. Look at that colorful plate they just brought me. That is cool. Look at that. That looks good. Yeah. Oh yeah. You can taste the smoked fish. Oh, it's nice. Real good. It's a familiar taste. Like a relish. I can't put my finger on it, but it tastes real good. Yep, Mrs. Mac's Kitchen has their own hot sauce. Oh yeah, that's a pepper sauce there. And this one, cayenne sauce. Yeah, really cool. Mrs. Mac's Kitchen. Wow. They just brought it over. They just brought over our seafood basket. Look at that. It looks delicious. We've got lobster bites. We've got mahi-mahi. And I forget what the other fish was. Was there shrimp?
Yeah, there's shrimps in there too.
Okay, so it was mahi-mahi, shrimp, and lobster bites. Oh man, a little coleslaw, some cocktails, some tartar. Oh, a twist of lime there. I get the twist on it. And a bunch of chips. Looking good. All right, time to enjoy. Oh yeah, we were too full to eat the key lime pie here, so we've got it in a bag. We're taking it to go. They're famous for their key lime pie here.
Thank you guys so much. You have a great rest of your day.
All right, thank you. Oh wow, look at that. That is so cool. What a nice floor. And over here, they have a little store. Not just another day in paradise. Oh yeah, there's Mrs. Mac's hot sauce right there for sale here. They also sell this, the wing sauce. Man, it looks good. And this is the salts that you clean your hands with, the salt scrub. Something that I've found down here that a lot of people use to clean their hands. And some jewelry and stuff. This is really nice. Nice little store. Oh, look at that. Yeah, and look at that lamp. That is a beautiful lamp. Yeah. Wow, what a nice meal. Nice time here.
Oh yeah, that was nice. So glad we came.
We are full. What a great meal. We truly enjoyed that lobster and shrimp and mahi fish in a basket. Very good. Well, thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you again on the next one.